They said if I can try to get me together and get clean, we can be a family again.
Gotcha.
You heard me?
Who's they?
My mom and...
Today's episode is about the combination of illegal drugs and mental illness. The combination of these two things is absolutely terrifying, and the effects can be seen on our streets every day.
Yes, my name is Lara Wheeler. Right across the street from me at the Food Mart Express, which is on Sullivan and Warren, there's a woman that's like screaming, and she just sounds like she's having a psychotic break, and she needs some help.
Is it a female, black, larger
Yes.
build, black top,
Yes.
blue jeans? So it looks like you are
she
not
looks
the
like she's
only one to call.
Okay. It looks like she's not wearing pants at all.
Yes, she was taking her clothes off. It looked like the last call
Okay.
got in.
Okay,
Do you see
excellent.
any
I'm just
weapons
glad.
on her?
No, I just felt like she needed some help, like some mental health services, and I just
You
wanted
said
to.
that she's yelling.
Yeah, and she just sounds like she's very distressed. She's like screaming, like she's in pain.
What?
myself
Why are your pants off?
because I thought there was a spider on me. I'm sorry. And I was just having a panic attack. And I'm so over this.
So why is there Narcan here? Did you take something?
No,
So why are you squirting Narcan everywhere?
it's not everywhere.
What'd you take?
Nothing. Wellbutrin, I taken what you. Yeah, I've done everything you've done. Everything.
What's your name, ma'am?
Shawanda Roberts.
Okay,
Shawanda Anderson Lee, whatever the fuck.
Okay, I'm Officer Kane. Come here.
I'm just trying to put my clothes on.
Copy, 815 Ledgewood, apartment 9. Said there was 43 last night and broke up on Wednesday.
Shawanda, come over here.
My stuff is right here.
Bring it over here so I can talk to you.
Okay, there it is, right there. I'm right here right now. Okay?
Thank you.
God damn it! I've just had enough. Okay?
What?
Everything, everyone, their misconception of mental health, their problems, I'm done. It's solved. Instead I complain. More.
Where do you live at, ma'am? Can I take you somewhere?
No, baby, I'll walk home. Okay?
Where do you live?
I need to walk anyways. Y'all don't understand seizures. Y'all don't want to hear my spiel. Y'all don't give a fuck. Leave me alone. Let me walk, okay? Have a good day. Enjoy my day with me. I need to bed. I need problems. I have problems. These bitches won't help me. They have all the fucking up ones. I'm the fucked up one. Okay, I bring peace. I restore things. This. Fuck him. He wants to defecate on my vows. That's why I'm out here. You think you can choose what wife you want now? God didn't choose to kick his wife out. No one gave God a choice, huh? All the angels said, I want to go to heaven, so I want my own. Blah, 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 blah. So God said, fuck all y'all. Maybe he's sitting in heaven by his goddamn self with no one there.
Matthew, you have MCR available.
And maybe, just in case, maybe if I did something stupid is why I put it in the air, because I don't want that shit in my goddamn nose. That shit's for the fucking retarded quitters. So maybe, just maybe,
I don't see any logged in
it would
yet, but
save my
I
life.
air and have the other channels there too.
I am fine, come on, just have a good day. It's my birthday on the 15th.
Is it?
Any MCR.
I never celebrate.
How old are you?
I'll be 30.
Well, the 15th was a couple days ago, so happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've never celebrated my birthday like none of these hookers. And they've never allowed me. I'm always out to be cast out. Kick this bitch out.
Copy.
Why don't you let me take you somewhere?
No, baby, please.
Why?
Because I want to enjoy my day.
Well,
I want to calm down. I want to do this my way.
I understand. And I
We've
appreciate
tried
that.
this y'all's way.
What way was that?
Hospital, revamp, electrotherapy, seizure, medication, shots. I just witnessed a bitch try to rape a man in front of me. And I went up to I said, are you fucking kidding me? She's laying on top of him right now. And all of a sudden, oh, Nancy, just stop. She opened my door when I was in the shower. The last bitch I did had a plug on top of her head. She almost died.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your
I
first
was
name
in jail. This Shawanda.
Shawanda.
Jasmine Lee Anderson fucking Brown is my blood name.
Thank you.
3, 2,
Shawanda.
whatever the fuck. And I'm
Shawanda.
sorry to keep screaming, but
That's
I'm in the
okay.
middle of a seizure.
I understand.
I thought there was
153.
a spider and a snake on me.
153.
Yeah, you said that.
These two victims already did the report.
All these
online.
bitches
I'll
want
be
me to
there
show
with you.
fear. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared he's going to kill me and rape me. Why? Because he might enjoy his fucking life for 2 seconds. Might get a new perspective on himself. Might feel like a new man.
You said you take Wellbutrin?
That's the only thing
That's the only thing you take?
besides Ativan.
Yeah.
And God forbid I take Ativan, but Nancy, who's raping all these, rape her own kids, rape these motherfuckers, wanna come in my shower, almost killed the bitch and the goddamn shit. Good thing 10 years, husband was goddamn right there.
What do you take Wellbutrin for?
They say depression. I have split personalities. I'm a 4-year-old kid all my goddamn life, and there's nothing, no one can help me. That's it. I'm a 4-year-old kid all my life. Not yours, not any, my life.
Well, nothing. You show the medic.
I just need to walk it off.
Yep.
You know, one of them days, they tell you, go ahead and just walk it off. Here's an extra $40. When you come back, I'll give you $100. Come on, we're not stupid.
Everybody good. 27. It's 2716 Sullivan. Sorry, that's my correct location. That's 19.
Do you want
What
to go to
is
the
it?
hospital with us?
No,
No. Actually, I was thinking about an EMS supervisor.
maybe in 2 more days. I'll give you that,
Okay,
okay?
I'll let fire know.
Deal? In 2 days if I don't get it together. Then I'll go.
Well, I
Please.
showed up. You didn't have your pants on. You just put your bra over.
Because I told you I was panicking. I thought a fucking
get it.
spider was on me.
I understand. That's what you told me, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Are those her pants over there?
I don't want
I don't
the pants.
know.
They came for
She
the
didn't
fucking
have 'em on. She
hospital
put 'em on
and
as I
all them
walked
fucking
up.
bullshit.
I think that's her. Well, it's a bag. I thought
That's mine. I don't want. I would throw them in the
I
fucking
showed up.
trash.
She sprayed
Because
Narcan on the
maybe if I
ground.
did something stupid, maybe just maybe it saved my damn life.
So you don't want those pants then?
9101.
No, I don't. I want to enjoy my birthday like all these fucking hookers.
Yeah, she thought it was coming up, but it just happened.
I will get it together. I will keep it together, please.
Well, I'm concerned for you right now, babe.
I'm concerned for me too.
I'm really worried about you.
Because it doesn't matter where I'm gonna go. I know how to solve my situation and go where I belong. To the man
Gotcha.
upstairs, because he has no fucking body. I say in 2 days, if I can't get it together, I will walk my ass there.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Yes,
Where?
I am on Alden and Sullivan with Food Market Express. Good man.
Yeah. He's almost open. He should be open
There
soon.
he is right now.
Is he open?
I guess someone needs our car fixed.
Yeah.
Well, there's the fucking prostitute that's been robbing all these motherfuckers all night. Wanna hide because the cops is here.
Do you know what day it is?
The 19th of September, 2023. Our president is Biden. I was born in Chicago.
Oh, yeah. What part of Chicago?
I died in Chicago, Cabrini Greens, O-Block.
Really? Cabrini Green?
Yes.
Oh, no.
I lived in a bunker.
You survived out of that. Good for you. That's a bad place, isn't it? Tough? Yeah.
Spiders and all that.
When did you move to Columbus?
I was 9.
Do you have family here now?
They took my daughter to South Carolina for her to get a fresh start.
Okay.
They said if I can try to get me together and get clean. we can be a family again.
Got you.
You heard me?
Who's they?
My mom and dad, I will not discuss. I plead the fifth.
Are they in South Carolina, though? Are they? Okay. So you have any other family here in Columbus? Just you by yourself? How did you get right here?
9101.
Like,
Just
where do you
me.
live?
My house is trash. I can't get myself together. Every time I want to clean my house, I just want to come smoke crack, because fuck it. Why do I deserve any fucking thing?
Did you smoke crack today?
No.
Okay. Did you take anything else?
Just my Wellbutrin.
You did take your Wellbutrin. Good. When did you take that? Do you remember what time?
Actually, I'm on my way to find some water.
Okay. Okay. But do you know how you got here from 4th Street?
Yeah, I walk my happy ass.
That's a long way.
I don't care. I'd rather do it out here than do it in my fucking home. Before the CEO to hear you and kick you out again, bitch, so you can be a known prostitute.
Yeah.
You mean a go-getter? I make money for y'all. These bitches don't push y'all shit. If you could tell them the goddamn truth, I hope they hear it. I'm the only one that pushes y'all shit. And you know. And you know.
Do you have any friends that are here?
Yes, I can go talk to them for a minute.
Where are they at?
In a safe house down the street.
Can we go talk to them?
No.
To have them come
Can't
see
talk
you?
to nobody.
I can't.
Because apparently, because it's my birthday, I need some Fetty crack and need to die, so now I don't have nobody. Do not put me in that fucking thing. Please do not. Please do not. I'm asking you, it's my birthday. You told me last year you would give me a free rate. I know it wasn't you too, but they told me my birthday. They would give me my birthday. Not today, please.
I just think
No.
I need to help you. I want to help you. You
This is
understand
not
that?
the help I need.
What help do you need?
I need me time. You see, here, more people. When can I just sit by myself and gather my thoughts and not say nothing for a month?
What was the other? You said Wellbutrin and something else. What else did you?
Hydroxyzine.
You didn't say that. It was like Adderall or something. What was the other one you
I
said?
can't take Ativan. They won't.
Ativan. Okay.
Trying to clear my head so I can. Yes. I just got out of fucking what's it called? No,
Hospital?
Mount Carmel.
Okay, for
Behavioral health.
Behavioral health, okay. How long were you there?
I was there for like 4 or 5 days.
Okay.
You ain't gonna corner me. Don't do that.
Oh,
We're not going to court you.
I'll just come over and talk to you, dear.
Then you can come over here.
Okay, that's fine. So what's going on today? Like, you just like worked up, having
It's my birthday.
So I pulled up. Her pants were off. Stuff was thrown everywhere.
I'm a
She had Narcan in her hand. Obviously, that's part of her too. If I show up and she starts spraying it at me,
Your hospital's not gonna heal that problem.
no. She said she had a spider on her. So I'm trying to like, look, how can I help you? What can I do for you,
Sir.
I just witnessed.
sir? So I rolled up. Her pants were off completely. She's just going crazy, throwing stuff everywhere. She has Narcan in her hand. I show up. She said, "There's a spider on me."
I'm not, no, I can't. I can't
And
take
she sprays it right close to me. And I said, "What's going on?" She goes, "I just want to get my life together." She puts her pants back on finally.
I'm seeing
And she starts going in this rage of you're not taking me, you're not doing this,
and I
you're not
gotta
doing
sit there and be calm.
that.
You got me fucked up.
Incoherently,
I just
starts
be trying-
spitting and just acting like she is now. More, actually more souped up.
I got to the side of her and she freaked out like you were cornering her.
Yeah.
So that's why
I've asked her several times. I mean, obviously she's going to be a pink slip. She needs to go.
I'm okay.
she's uncooperative.
She will not go. I've asked her several times.
Yeah.
Once in my
But she
life,
can't stay
I can
out
calm this shit down and calm down and do whatever the hell. I know how to do that
They
shit.
cut on her arm.
I didn't see a cut on her arm.
She's got a little
cut right here. I don't know how it got there or what.
She
said her blood name. I noticed she had a
Oh, yeah. She thought today, her birthday's on the 15th. She didn't even know it was 15th yet. She thinks this is Ogden. She didn't know who the president was.
definitely pink.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
health problem?
I'm afraid she's gonna run out the street.
What's that?
I'm afraid she's gonna run out the street.
Yeah, I think that's
Talk
why
to me. Talk to me. Do you have any health problems, dear?
I'm older than any of y'all. I'm dead, and I just don't want to talk about it. The more I talk about it, the worse it gets. Just leave me alone so I can
I'm just asking a couple questions, right? I'm not trying to get you on the
She put a bra on top of her when I was here too, which was weird.
Come on now.
It's okay. Like I said, we're just trying to talk to you, trying to figure out, trying to help you out, alright?
It's okay. There's no room.
Hey, Shawanda. Like, you're a little worked up right now, I can tell, okay? Like you said, it's your birthday, you got some other issues going on, okay?
I
think we need to go back to the hospital and talk to somebody here.
Please, no.
I think it's
No, that's just gonna make it worse. No, it's gonna make it worse. Please, I just witnessed somebody get. No, please. I'm begging you. I will get it together. I will slap it down.
Shawanda, that's not an option.
All these memories come back. Just leave me alone. Give me some space, please. Please.
Listen, Shawanda.
No.
We're not trying to mess with you, okay? We're just trying to do what's best for you.
I've spent all of my life in the damn hospital. At this point, no, I refuse. Please, I refuse. I'm calm, I'm cool, I'm collected. Please, I refuse. Please, every time this happens, you do not give me the right to refuse. Please.
Well,
please, I'm humbly asking. No, it's gonna make it worse.
we're gonna take you to the hospital.
No!
We can't have.
Please, I will calm down.
I know.
No, please, no. No!
Listen,
No, please, no,
I'll be
please.
nice and calm with you. Let's settle down.
Oh,
Come on.
Hey,
Let's go to the hospital,
hey,
okay?
if you
Let's
come
just
calm,
be
we
good.
won't
We'll
have
be
to
good.
give you
I promise
medicine.
you'll be good, okay?
We're doing this. We'll let the hospital check you out. When they're done,
Put him
be
here.
good, okay?
Thank you very much, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right.
It's a,
Wait till we bring her leg. Yeah.
Back for us, dear.